Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to archive your emails in Microsoft Outlook. Now, first of all, to achieve that, you want to ensure that you already have an account where you can actually get to archive your emails. All right, to do that, you just want to head over to create a free account. First of all, go to the preferred browser of your choice and just type in Microsoft Outlook, and then it will take you to a page like this. Click on any of these first three links, and then it will navigate you to a page which looks like this, where you can sign in if you do already have an account or create a free account. Remember that Microsoft Outlook gives you the opportunity to choose any kind of plan you want, whether you want a free account or you want to buy a Microsoft basic account, personal, or any other kind, as you can see displayed on my screen. Pick the preferred account you want. You can see all of the options that it can help you achieve. So just study that and then pick your preferred account. And when you've downloaded your account and set it up, it will take you to a page that looks like this. This is the home page of your Microsoft Outlook. Now, to show you how to archive emails in Outlook, first of all, you want to open your Outlook like we've already done. Head over to the main page where your emails are. Now, when you've done that, go to your inbox. Now, you want to select the particular email you want to archive. All right, once you've opened that, your messages will be displayed here on your screen on this pane where my cursor is. When you've chosen the particular email you want to archive, click archive on the toolbar, or just right click on that particular email and you see the option to archive. Click on archive and the message or the particular email moves directly to the archive folder. Now, it's important to note that archiving your emails is important because it helps to keep your inbox clean. It saves important information. It helps your space, your Microsoft Outlook to stay organized. It improves app or email performance, and it also helps avoid accidental deletion. It also helps for privacy and to help maintain records. So these are some of the reasons why you might want to get that email archived today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to archive your emails in Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, thanks and bye for now.